Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're planning in my Catchall planner, which is a classic size happy planner. And this one is actually a design by Teresa Collins. So here we go. Today we are planning for March 15th through the 21st. So it is St. Patty's week. And I'm going to be using the spring florals from Live Love Posh, and I'm going to be coordinating with another sticker book. Live Love Posh, Jessica has created this really beautiful arrangements for St. Patty's Day. So we have the clovers, and I thought it would be quite perfect to go ahead and add those into my planner for this week, especially in my catch-all, because all of her designs are just so incredible. So I'm not sure if I should put something down the middle or what to do, but I'm also thinking of using some of the recollections greenery from florals, and I'm also looking at all of the seasons sticker book because I know that they have some of the St. Patty's Day stickers in there. So let's take a look and see what we come up with. First, I'm going to go ahead and start with these because how can you not look at these lovelies? So I'm going to go ahead and place them right there. And I'm going to cover up the to-do list because I'm not planning to really use it this week. I'm going to be doing more of checklists, and I think I can do all of my to-do lists in there. Let's go ahead and frame these pages with these really lovely corner stickers because how can you not? Look how lovely these are. I'm gonna make this a little bit higher up. Maybe I can cover up sparkly. Okay, so I think that's what I have so far. And then this one, it's so beautiful, and let's take a look where I should put it. And while I'm deciding on that, I wanted to say thank you if you are already subscribed to my channel. I appreciate that so much. And if you are new and visiting for the first time, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And hopefully you like this enough to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this long, beautiful greenery from the recollection sticker book. I think they did such an amazing job creating this. I am truly obsessed with how this looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of weave it through all of this, and as I'm weaving it through my page, I'm going to be using a Uni-Ball Signa pen to remove the lines. So here we go. Perfect. And this is just not to break up the greenery and kind of make it more cohesive. That's the only reason I'm doing it. And like I said, I really love the way this looks, so I want to make it look the best way possible. Okay, I think that looks amazing. Now let me see if I can grab another one and do kind of a similar thing with that. So I have more than one of the floral books because I knew I love it a lot and that I'm going to be obsessed. So I'm just gonna grab another one of these and pull out the same green leaf and do it on the other side. I really think combining those two sticker books is so beautiful, and it's so much fun. I did not expect it to look as good as it does. So here we go. Let me match them up so it kind of looks like they're continuously going. It's going to be a tiny bit tricky, but I think I can make it work. Let's take a look. And again, I want to remove the lines, so same thing, using the white pen from Uni-Ball, I'm going to cover them up and go from there. So here we go. Okay, there. Okay, and I'm just going to layer it up to make sure that it's not bubbling up. It's a little bit tricky, but it's worth the effort. Okay, and just a little bit more. One more line, and then I don't mind the dotted lines at the end because they are really faint. But do you see how it bubbles? These long stickers can be a little tricky to place down. So yeah, I love the way this looks, truly. Okay, so next up will be adding a few more things here and there to liven up that spread. I will add this maybe. Let's see if it's going to be too much. I don't want to take away from the greenery too much because, again, like I said, I love that natural look of it so much. So let's go ahead and place that down like so. Oh yes, that looks awesome. And then feeling lucky. Let me move that sticker book to that side and kind of figure out what I'm doing. Where should I place it? Ah, and I ripped a sticker. Oh no, that's like the worst, especially when it's a quote, because then you have to be pretty careful about matching up the words. This drives me nuts. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that. These stickers are so sticky. So sticky. So let me try to match that up pretty well. Okay, let's take a look. Luck is believing you're lucky. Yep, that is pretty true. Let me take my tweezers, and I love like these sticker tweezers for lifting up stickers because they're almost like a little shovel and or like a palette knife, and they help so much with lifting up stickers. Okay, I think I did pretty well. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty good. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue to make sure that this doesn't lift up. And then I don't think this page needs a very much more. I'm going to go ahead and add some more decorations. I think this is taking away from the greenery and maybe here as well. So I'm gonna put that back and use it on another spread. I think that will be a great idea. But meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and add a few more of the florals after I make my checklist, so I can kind of see where everything is going. As you can see, I have some clovers on my hand, but I need my checklist. This is my catch-all. This is where I write everything down. And this needs to happen before I add anything else. Again, as always, this planner has to be extremely functional for me. I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward all of this checklist making. Okay, let's go ahead and add a shamrock. It is so pretty. Where should I add it? I think that's a good spot. Or that one too. I think maybe on top I need a little bit more. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. And let me do the other side of my checklist. Okay, so I'm just quickly fast forwarding that as well. Great. One more on Saturday and just one more on Sunday, and then I'm just gonna add a few small pieces and I think we will be done. So let me just go ahead and add a little shamrock to the bottom and maybe one on, let's see, let's figure this out. I'm just gonna try them on and see where they should go. I don't think it needs anything more than that. I think keeping it simplistic, it's gonna make it look so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm just gonna add little clovers all over. 3-leaf ones and 4-leaf ones. I think all of them are just beautiful. And I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this spread. I hope that you like what you saw and the idea of combining those two sticker books. I think it turned out so well. I am truly in love with it and I can't wait to write in it. I hope you guys have a great week and I'll see you very, very soon for another plan with me. Bye!